Today I am off to Queenstown to pick up a vehicle Micah has bought.
Off on a little adventure.
He can't get the day off work as he's just started his job, so I fly to Queenstown out to get the vehicle and drive through to Christchurch, which he will fly to tomorrow morning to meet me to make the drive home.
Yeah, in your lunch break or? Oh, okay. So it all looks as expected. There's a couple of little knocks in that, but nothing major at all. The fresh warrant, etc. They've got some spare wheels which they've put on the back, so there's 5 extra wheels sitting in the back at the moment. Start sounds, yeah. And gates are open, so I'm on my way to Christchurch, Micah. See you there. I do not think this is going to be a fast trip, but it might be fun, perhaps a little terrifying. Not sure how she's going to go at open road speed. Queenstown. Yes, I know you thought I was getting it from Queenstown, but it was 20 drive out Queenstown around the lake to pick it up. So we're in traffic at Queenstown now. It was recommended I take the back way to Arrowtown to avoid Frankton, so that's where we're going. Currently I am not the slowest thing on the road, it just feels a bit like it. Still not the slowest. The truck is gassed up, oil looks fine, as does the water, so about to farewell Cromwell and keep on going. Come on! Come on! Made it. We are going downhill though. Slow. Can't see the mountains out there. Slightly downhill, so I'm making good time and cranking on at 100. Over there, I ain't stopping, ain't got no time. I caught up to something. Oh me up, but he ain't getting away from me. Alright, he is holding me up. Can't do it. Gonna have to overtake him. Okay. And we did. A bit of distance between us and that thing I overtook. And I did it going uphill. Hope you can read that sign. There's Geraldine, 50k to Ashburton, I guess. Small delay on this one-way bridge, which probably get a couple of these things along there. Gravel. Gets much worse than this. I'll have to go to all-wheel drive mode. I have to turn on State Highway 1 for the first time on this trip. This road is so long, straight and boring. I am excited because this is Ashburton. How many people have been excited to be in Ashburton? Still in Ashburton. Not so exciting now. Red zone, still Ashburton. I always thought Ashburton was quite small. Out of Ashburton, 87k to Christchurch. It is boring, but 1 hour to go. Lot of roadworks. 37 minutes to go. It is 8 o'clock, last of the daylight it would seem, and about to pull in. Over. See you in the morning, Micah. It is Saturday and waiting at the airport for the owner of this vehicle to arrive. There he is. Good morning.
It does look way smaller.
Yeah, it is. It's really small.
That's awesome.
Pleased you like it.
I was thinking of bringing a screwdriver so I could get off these
Oh.
plate guards. Yeah, I'm actually...
First time driving. Who's scared?
Me. I'm not in gear.
No, yeah. And he's off.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, I need to look up the maps of where we're going.
Is it turn right?
Oh, it is too. You correct, turn right. We're on our way to cafe. So this guy can see family and they can see this.
I don't really care about the family, to be honest. I just want to drive the track. You'll have lots of time to move out of my way. Yeah, I know. It's got some power.
No wheel spins. See ya.
I couldn't hear it was revving up. Whoa, whoa! Yeah.
The sun is shining on day 2 of this adventure, this journey, and the owner is in the driver's seat. No, that's Placemakers. This is the first time that this boy is going to have to pay for gas in his truck.
Premium.
A little bit of oil to be on the safe side. Added a little oil, now we're heading north. I should check the travel time according to Google. We'll have to add a bit. We're approaching the motorway. How are you feeling about it?
It's not really about me when I'm on the motorway, it's about everyone's
Making sure we're not... Yeah.
What lane should I be in?
Left lane is my guess. Down there, somewhere under this bridge, is where Ezra became chicken for life. Trying to make the gap on the motorway. Oh, that's a proper truck. We did it. Well, he did it. Whee! Woo! Quick change. He's even got the truck driver turns going on with the hands down the side. Here we go, keep them down. I think he is catching those guys.
They have been for a while now.
It has been a while. You're not catching them quick. This might be the first decent hill he has to drive up.
I'm flat-footed and we're dropping.
Yeah. Welcome to the power of the Sambar. Change of driver. He was worn out from having to hold this beast on the road. There is a big hill coming as we get to Kaikoura. Not sure exactly when, but we're still, can't quite see, 40-50k from there. Are you worried?
I'm not driving, so I can care less really.
Pretty happy about that 60 because it means people will be stuck behind us because of the limit. Not that there's anyone there.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
What was that? He asked if we would fit.
Keep the ground in sight.
We're off-roading.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world and keep the sky on your mind.
Big drag going up there, but we're fortunate because slow vehicle lane. You worried?
Yeah, I'm stuck behind these guys.
It's true actually, he has caught up to these guys. There is 2 hours to the ferry and it's 50k to go, so we're coming up the Awatiri Valley and we're going to do the Taylor's Pass dirt road.
We're going to try.
I have confidence in this little thing. of Taylor's Pass, over and down to Blenheim. Yeah, the tyres have moved. There is excitement in the vehicle. Why is there excitement? Oh, I wonder if there'll be any water. It's bone dry. Oh. He wasn't slowing for that one. Another flooded. There's a little bit of dampness.
Wow, that's the second.
The power. Vehicle, you're not freight.
Good load behind me.
Good load of wheels.